When your employees do not enjoy working in your organization, it can bring a huge problem. And in the HR human resources term, employees with disinterest or not interested to work anymore at their work is called employee disengagement. A mounting number of studies have come up with a typical finding about company that only 5 out of 10 employees are described as engaged. And hear this, 15 to 20% are really actively disengaged. It means 2 out of 10 of people that you work with are not really in the office when they are working. Their mind is elsewhere. And if they can, probably they want to be outside of the company as well. Now you can imagine when your employees or your peers or your colleagues come to work, and you can think about the effect on the bottom line when they are not working at their 100%. So what can you do, especially if you are someone in the leadership position or you can work well with other people? What can you do to inspire and engage the people that you work with? One way is giving out bonuses or extravagant or high raises. It can work, but only in the short term. It will not work in the long term, and it is not feasible. Imagine you have to give bonuses and high raises every year, no matter what is the performance like for the individual or the organization. It is just not possible. So why not we think of other ways on how do we go and get people excited about their jobs and working together in the same company. Probably first, you can look at how do you inspire a vision by working together. Most probably, the chances are your employees or people that you work with didn't take the job that they are in with an ultimate goal of increasing quarterly profits or yearly revenue. People, even you and even I myself, want to be inspired, to feel that we are a part of something special, something important. People want to feel like their actions at the workplace make a positive difference. And a good way to get everyone on board, on the same table, is to create a regular vision together. So why not try it? Maybe you can start so that people can collaborate and brainstorm and create some compelling goals together as a team. So why not let everyone be creative? Spend a day maybe decorating the office, the workplace, or putting up inspiring reminders using posters of your organization's vision or even your department's or your team's goal. This will get people excited about working together in order to achieve a common goal that you set out for yourselves as a team. Second is about working environment and how you can improve it. Probably by now, we all hear about great places to work like Facebook and even Google, where everyone is having a good time while they are productive at the workplace. There are gaming rooms, there are free gourmet lunches, just to name a few of the perks. Probably you can think, not in my organization, maybe. Still, it could be out of your budget. Then it is time to get creative so that you can think about how you can spice up your workplace environment without breaking the company account. Why not you include free snacks? Let's say a healthy one, fruit bowls, or maybe healthy crackers. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't even have to be fancy. It is just going to be a nice bonus for everyone in your office. And why not having a brown bag lunch together with your colleagues and throw it in with other colleagues that share with you experiences. Make it a lunch date in the office where everyone can group together in a pantry or in a place where people can mingle while they have memorable lunch. And another way to hype up your workplace is to let everyone in the office to decorate their workplaces, their cubicle in ways that they like. Let them be creative and do it during work hours. And encourage them to look into different areas that can help to make everyone less stressful in the workplace. Maybe you can do a minor movie night on Fridays after work. You just take 1 hour, or maybe there are many ways for you to brainstorm with your team to choose cost-effective ways to make the working environment more fun in a feasible kind of way. The next third idea is about encouraging collaboration among peers and colleagues. The thing of the past, old school, is when we have strict hierarchical organization structure where the big bosses is on top and everyone below will be hearing their command and do accordingly. Collaboration and joint decision making is here to stay. People don't like to take orders. On the other hand, everyone loves having their opinions and suggestions heard and greatly valued. Collaboration can help you to have the ability to empower people to give their ideas and voice up and speak up in a respectful way. So don't be afraid to call people together as a group and do joint meetings in order to solve problems and generate new ideas to find creative solutions. Actively ask your employees, the people who work with you, for their opinions on different matters. As you know, part of building a successful team is to make sure that every team member feels they are valued and heard. When people feel like you are all in it together as a group, they are going to be more motivated and inspired to work hard to achieve the goals that are set for them as a team. This is a great way to boost employee engagement and up higher activity. Well, the next idea takes a bit of edge into the friendly competition. It is always good to have competition in a motivating way. This factor of motivating competition is about organizing friendly contests for your employees and people that you work with so that they can feel excited and motivated. Whether it is who can make the most sales in a week or a quarter, or it is the least accurate error and mistakes or omission when they are doing spreadsheets, when keying in the data, and who gets to have the most positive feedback from customers that they are servicing. It can be a great way to inspire people when you reward them And it doesn't need to be expensive. It could just be a thank you letter or even feature their employee details and photos on the achievement board in your office. And also, just make sure that you give everyone a chance to succeed, and it will stay friendly in every word. Offer rewards and prizes when they do their best. And it may be some areas that are more creative, especially now when work is more flexible. It's about opportunities to work from home. There you have it. The many ways that people can work in a motivating manner in the office. Get them excited and they are going to be engaged.